Jay came to me last year because he was tired of think about it objections. He was tired of the commission roller coaster. 1 month it was 5K, 10K, but he couldn't break past 10K a month. He had no idea how to actually take it to the next level in his game and sales. And so I'm going to show you right here, his first 30 days, 11K. So he doubled his commissions within 30 days by leveraging the Savage selling system. This is the commissions he was at. This is where he was at. Not only that, but we eliminated all objections completely by actually him becoming the version that doesn't get objections. And when he did that, guess what happened? He doubled his commissions once again from 10,000 to barely breaking 10 to 20 first 30 days. And within just a few months, he says, just did my commissions for the month. It was a massive month for me, and he broke 40,000 in commissions. He's grateful for the work from the coaching. Now it's time to get to the next level. And then we installed the operating system internally for him to weaponize, to show up in power, in purpose, to sell from soul, and sell from pure authenticity with no script. He mastered his internal game, removed any doubt that was slowing him down. And when we did that, look what happened. He just invoiced. This was literally 2 days ago. He says, I just invoiced my commissions for January for 70K Australian. That is 50,000. So that means he went from 0 to 10, struggling in that place, from 10 to 20 with me 30 days using the Sales Savage system. And then we got to 40 and then 50. And he says, I have hit another milestone in my sales career. Thank you so much, Patrick, for helping me recreate the man I am today. Joining this program has been the best, most impactful investment I ever made. You have helped me build a life I never thought was possible 12 months ago. The brotherhood and the culture here is like nothing I've ever experienced. I'm so lucky to have brothers that are here willing to do everything and anything. So grateful. So, if you're reading this is the results that we get inside the Sales Savage Accelerator. This is what we do. We don't teach you better scripts. We teach you to be the version, become the version, mastering yourself and mastering sales to actually go on any account and dominate any account that you step on. So if you're tired of the think about it objections, if you're tired of the commission roller coaster months, doubting yourself after a slow week, going up and down, Jake was too. You want to install the same system that Jake installed, that basically took me to $2 million in commissions, multiple $100,000 months, just like the results we get for the clients. If you want to install this, click the link below right now, and it's time. No more delaying. It's time to install this system into your sales so you can't step on any account forever for the rest of your life and become number one within the first 30 days.
My experience with working with Coach Patrick over the last 60 days for me personally has been one of the single most amazing experiences that I've ever done. And I'm so grateful, and I'm so grateful for myself that I actually made the decision to go in and work with him. Because he has held me to the fucking highest standard from day one. And it's been very clear from day one that it's not about a mate having a friend. It's about having a fucking coach, someone that will hold me to the highest self, even the highest self that I couldn't even see at that time. And he's been there, and he's not told me what I want to hear. He's told me what I've needed to hear. And for a long time there, especially in the beginning, like I didn't realize this, but I had so many stories that were not true that I was playing in my head, and that were driving, that were ultimately ruling my life, and they weren't serving me. And so had so many breakthroughs of the stories, and working with Coach Patrick, he's really helped me in working through those. And now I just know what stories actually do serve me, and how to reframe the stories that don't serve me to ones that do serve me. So his leadership, it's all down to his leadership and the man that he is, because ultimately, he's gone through this himself. He's been through so much in his life that he's had to overcome. So then, because he knows what it's like to be in the pit, or in the trenches like I was, he knows, and he's gotten out of that. He knows the way. He's got the blueprint and the proven process, which that leadership, that coaching has been absolutely essential for me to,